The UK's largest supermarket, Tesco, says it's had a strong Christmas after its UK sales rose 1.3% over the festive period. Chief Executive Dave Lewis said the better Christmas was due to lower prices and more staff in stores. The city liked the announcement. Shares in the company jumped 7% on the news. But other figures from Tesco were less impressive. Our business correspondent Emma Simpson reports.
Anything else, Turkey?
I'll handle the turkey.
The Christmas essentials, which helped serve up strong festive sales for Tesco. After many difficult months, at last some comforting news. Sales in established stores were up more than 1%, the first growth in 4 years. But over the whole quarter, sales were still down compared with the previous year. But it's Christmas that's key. All the big grocers are cutting prices to compete. Tesco were selling these potatoes for 20% less this year than last. Morrison's also did well. By employing similar tactics, it cut the price of alcohol. So, is the fight back against the discounters starting to pay off?
This is the moment at which I would say the big four stop the rot. But that doesn't mean that they're going to grow suddenly, and it doesn't mean that the discounters are going to stop growing. It just means that the hemorrhaging of sales and the hemorrhaging of profits that we've seen for the last 2-3 years it has potentially, finally, subsided.
Homebase also had a buoyant Christmas, a business close to being sold to one of Australia's biggest companies. But on the other side, sister chain Argos saw sales fall, especially in its stores. Figures which may strengthen the hand of Sainsbury's. It's already trialling Argos concessions and wants to buy the whole lot.
Argos did have a disappointing Christmas, down 2%, but that isn't the biggest story. The big story is really, why do Sainsbury's want Argos, and what are they going to do with them? Well, there's a lot of synergy between Sainsbury's food offer and Argos' non-food offer. And I think that the way that customers are shopping these days more frequently in more diverse locations, Argos have got a great experience of that.
Grappling with our fast-changing shopping habits, that's the real Christmas story this year. And how in future retailers can make the sums add up. Emma Simpson, BBC News.